This, yalla. Open, open. Bravo, Mika. Yalla. Me, I open. Bravo, Mika. Yeah. I put. This kusa for kuseye. Kusa for kuseye.
Just put inside.
Kusa. Open, open, open.
Open for tita.
And close, yes.
Wow, Mikaela help her to tita.
Yeah, give me kusa.
Give tita kusa. Give tita kusa. That was you put.
Yeah, I put lahmi. Yeah, put. Give. No. Not this.
The other one, that was you.
Yeah, take this.
Yeah, that one. Oh, give to tita. Not that one, the other one.
Thank you, tita. I put it. Wait. Open, Castron. Open. I want to make this. Put this. Okay,
Good job.
Okay, bravo, Mikaela. Yalla, open me. Open.
Good job, Miku.
Oh, bravo, wait. Yalla, put this. And clean your hand after. Put this when you want to put. Put this. Bravo, Mikaela.
Good job. Close. Good job, Kuku. Si tita is
Hindi
making.
ba kuseye?
Open.
What you want to put on?
Here, hold this. Here.
Yeah, wait. I won't put this yet. Wait, finish it. More kuseye. Yeah. No, خلاص, don't touch, حبيبي.
Done.
Thank you, Lord.
Done, tita.
I take pepper on this.
Done, tita. Say thank you, tita. What will you say to tita? What will you say to tita?
A lot.
It's a lot. Say thank you,
I
tita.
put all in the pepper. You can give
Tita
me.
make you food.
You can give me pepper.